Okay, looks like we're at the official Shilin market. So you can see it right there. It says Shilin market. So I was kind of walking around eating some food. I got some other videos. But now I see this actual marketplace. And it looks like that's the main one right there. There's some other ones, and I think it might be too early for the side ones. But actually I've been enjoying quite a bit already, so looks like this is kind of the periphery part. Squid there. But anyways, we're going to be going directly down the middle here of the Shilin market where the covered tent is at. So let's do that. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so here's the Shilin market in Taipei. So we're gonna walk down the covered part, which is directly down the middle. January 13 to 14, there's something going on here. That was a week ago. Okay, so we're gonna walk, check it all out. Huh. Okay. It looks like the middle part here is gonna be more of the toys, maybe. I don't know, we got like basketball stuff, we got little pinball stuff. So it looks like this is more like that. Mahjong. It's all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down and just kind of see what we can see. And we're probably gonna go right out of this as well. So it looks like this is basically like darts, these kind of ring games. Actually, the other ring game was like mopping up. This one is darts. Kind of got all kinds of interesting stuff. And there's kind of like a mahjong one over here too. So that's kind of our marketplace so far. Kind of pinball. This looks pretty popular here. What's this one? It's kind of cool too. There's some there. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah. I think what we're gonna be doing is just gonna be walking all the way down the end, and I think we'll probably just have to show you what's here for one, and then we might have to double back or turn off the camera. Oh, look at this. Taipei Shilin Public Market, and then used to be a food court market and an escalator. That's crazy. They had a food court in the past. And then over there you can see some like little coffee shop stuff over there. It's actually open too. Might actually walk over there. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I will walk over there. Yeah, like a little row of tea houses. So you can sit in any of these all along the way. Actually, it'd probably be pretty relaxing later on. Huh. And she says no camera, so I'm gonna move the camera away. I guess that looks like more like fortune telling, so I thought that was tea shops, but it looks like that one is a fortune telling spot. Okay, so let's keep on going down. I don't know what we're gonna get when we get to the end. We'll just kind of see. I bet later this will be. I've never really been here, so I don't. It's a Friday night, and it's also a holiday weekend, so I kind of have a feeling that a lot of people will leave. There's actually some stuff here. I think we're just gonna go over there and just kind of see what's happening over here. Okay, so there's plenty of stuff over here too. And then we got more stuff that way. And we got stuff on the sides as well over there, like nails and stuff like that. Okay. Shark. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do. Oh, there's actually more stuff down that way too. So I feel like this is gonna come to an ending right here. Check out this guy's haircut. He has like a really red hair here. It's kind of cool. So I think we've got a game all set up there. So I think it's yeah, okay, we'll just keep on going. So I think we're gonna come out to the end here. And let's just kind of see what we got here. So it looks like we got a sign for one. And looks like we got parking over here. It looks like we could go into that space as well. So there's a Shilin market, and it looks like we might be able to walk down that side street as well. I think the one that seems more interesting to me is to go this way. So we got the Shilin market. So we kind of came down that way. But we're gonna come down this way. And it looks like that's more like games for the kids. And this is more like other food stalls. Frog eggs. It's actually quite a big line here. Those are frog eggs right there, but this line is for this one. Oh, okay, I can see why now. Huh. Got milk tea. Okay, this looks pretty tasty too. Oh, it's really tasty. Okay. So these are a bunch of food stands right next to the Shilin covered market there. So massive, wow. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna come to kind of an empty, darker stretch. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the camera for a while. But it looks like we basically kind of went inside the covered part of the Shilin market. But actually if we go down there's a ton more food stuff all over the place. What's that B1? I guess there is a food court downstairs. Oh, okay. Looks like we have to go down before we end the video just to see what else is down here. So it looks like they got a whole other thing down here. Whole other world. Let's see what it is. Looks like it's gonna be mostly food. Oh wow. It's the stinky tofu. I don't even know which way to start. Plus with this one as well. Hey. Pretty tasty. We got all kinds of stuff here, food court. Hello. So let's see down here. Yeah, they're still talking at me, but I think, hello. Oh, there's fried rice.
And this one, Taiwan, the oyster orange, and the city loaf, number one.
Oh, number one.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Thank you.
Fried rice, noodle, and this one, Taiwan, the seafood, the orange.
There's a whole menu right there.
Yeah, this is the Taiwan city loaf, number one.
Oh, yeah.
One.
That sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we'll keep on going.
Taiwan here.
Hello. Cheers. Goodbye. Oh, I gotta keep on filming. Thank you. Actually, I probably should have sat down, but I kind of want to capture it, kind of come around that way, and then we're going to. Actually, that would have been pretty tempting. That would have been nice to sit there for a while. I probably should, but then I have to end the film though. So tempting. Okay, so that was a little bit more. So that's the other side. So I'm kind of tempted. I kind of want to sit down there, but I should not. We're just gonna walk down that way, and I think we're gonna end the video. And I want to explore more. If I sat down there, that would be a whole other thing. That would be maybe a lot of fun. Might regret that I didn't do that, but it's like a pretty cool group of guys. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna head back on out and let's say goodbye to the market. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.